Hey guys, so today is Wednesday morning and I just got out of the blood work doctor blood work. It's not actually my doctor, but it's a location where I go and do my blood work. So I went to go do blood work for a surgery that I have to do. It's just like a regular, small little surgery, I think. I'm gonna have to go get an MRI also. And they gave me this little container for me to collect my urine for the next day. So in there, it's like a big old orange bucket. I have to collect all my urine starting after tomorrow morning's pee. And then I have to put it in the fridge. So that's weird. I mean, I've collected urine samples before, but not like that. I have to collect a urine gallon. So right now we're gonna go to Walmart because this little one wants to go. She wants to go spend her birthday money. What are you eating? He's eating like the dead seeds. Well, the seeds that fall from the palm trees. Like the little orange ones. Like those up there. What are they? Those right there. He's eating those. He also eats wood chips. Hey. Why do you eat that? Why? You're nasty. You have dog food over there. Don't eat that. Hey guys. So I went to urgent care. I have a UTI. So they prescribed Cipro something. They prescribed that to me. Come here. Come here. This way. This way over here. Hi. Say hello. You came to keep me company. Come here. Come here, beautiful. Come on, beautiful. Oh, you're so beautiful. Where are you going? Bye. Good night. Bye. It's raining today. I have a big gigantic refrigerator. It's raining outside. Doesn't it look like she's about to play football? Okay, stand up. She has her jersey on. Looks like you're about to go play the women's football.